light t-shirt or a sweatshirt for many of you, but I don't think it's going to take long before we're in the short sleeves. It's 70s this afternoon. It's going to be nice and warm out there. Keep in mind, 70s very typical for September. Average September high is 73 degrees. Yes, averages come from, there are extremes. It's called an average for a reason. We get temperatures, obviously, that are much warmer or cooler on some days. And just because we're leaving behind July and August, where highs are usually in the 80s, that doesn't mean we're not going to have a few more of these 80-degree days. In fact, our last 80-degree day of the year, typically in Boston, is October 1st. So we have like a whole month where we could see these really warm days, and we expect to see some really warm days. In Worcester, the average last 80-degree day is the middle of September 14th. So I'm sure we'll have some warm ones there as well. In fact, even today, we've got 80 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 79 in Framingham, upper 70s in Worcester, in Lawrence, in Middleborough, and some low and mid 70s at the coastline where we have a little bit of wind coming in off the water. These are balmy, comfortable temperatures, everybody. Overnight tonight, it won't quite be as cool as we see lows in the 50s and 60s. Yes, still cool enough that you're going to want to consider a jacket tomorrow, but temperatures tomorrow kind of similar. It's lower 70s coastline, middle 70s inland, but tomorrow some of the forecast changes will begin to roll in. So I want to make sure that we've got this pattern shift on your radar. It's nothing too substantial tomorrow, but we are watching this area of low pressure. It is going to safely track offshore from us here, but it is going to create winds coming in off the water, which is going to drag in a little more cloud cover. I can't totally rule out one spot sprinkle on Friday. Most of us are going to stay dry. Saturday, we've got increasing clouds, and now this front has sped up a little bit, which means Saturday night is your best chance for passing showers. And because it's moving faster, it clears out so quickly Sunday morning that Sunday we're basically left with sunshine. So you can see rain chances peak Saturday night. Saturday, Sunday during daylight hours, I'm expecting dry weather. You can see the cloudier day is going to end up being Saturday. Sunday, we get huge improvements with highs in the 70s, and humidity will actually end up dropping again. And then next week, partly to mostly sunny in the sunshine. So it is another clear, beautiful start to the day. Low humidity continues. It's all about the layers today. And this weekend, I would say Saturday night is when you're going to want to have some umbrellas on hand. Otherwise, most of your weekend plans are going to be nice and dry. Temperature-wise, get set for more upper 50s at 7 a.m. By 8 a.m., the warm-up is a little faster than it was yesterday. Temperatures just a little bit milder, so we should be in the lower 60s in many spots by 8 a.m. and certainly by 9 a.m. When you don't need a jacket once it's 60 degrees outside. Temperature-wise this afternoon, low in mid 70s up and down our coastline from Boston to Portsmouth, New Hampshire. We've got upper 70s inland, Metro West, Merrimack Valley, Central Mass. It is going to be balmy and sunny out there. Upper 70s, Brockton and Bridgewater as well, but that coastline a little bit cooler. We do have a southeast wind, and when wind comes in off the water, it does tend to moderate temperatures a little bit. So tonight, as temperatures drop back into the 50s, it is still going to be cool. I still think that you're probably going to want a little light jacket in the morning tomorrow. 75 tomorrow, but check this out. The clouds, skies start looking a little different tomorrow. We've got partly sunny skies. So yes, there's some element of sunshine still with us tomorrow, but it's not quite as crystal clear. Now, I want to show you the big picture and then bring it local, because you can see the big picture is the National Hurricane Center watching several waves out there, waves of energy, waves of stormy weather for potential development into something more organized that would be named or numbered. And each day there's been like one more area to watch. This is the newest one as of this morning. And the reason that I want to point this one out is because that's a storm system that is expected tomorrow to track off the coastline of Massachusetts. Could come just close enough to whisk in some clouds. Maybe we see a spot sprinkle tomorrow, but I would say that is a major exception to our dry rule. Most of us stay dry, partly sunny. All of this deep moisture with this system stays way offshore. And then on Saturday, you're going to see the daytime stays pretty dry, but in the evening and at night, we get a front that comes through. That front has sped up a little bit since yesterday, which means it rains Saturday night. By Sunday morning, we are on our way to clearing out, and we have got really a wonderful turnaround on Sunday, which is why we're bringing back the sunshine for that Sunday forecast. Saturday and Sunday on your screen, most of you going to be talking 70s out there. 7-day forecast weekend always in view. One more day of crystal clear skies today. A little more cloud cover tomorrow. Saturday night rain. Sunday clears out, and next week we've got more highs in the 70s and 80s.
All right, Shiri.